Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a diver who's tired of clunky dive computers that lack smart features, dealing with short battery life underwater, or wanting a watch that tracks dives, fitness, and daily life all in one sleek package, then get ready to dive in because today we're plunging into an underwater powerhouse. It's the Garmin Descent Mk3i dive computer. This advanced multisport smartwatch has air integration for tank pressure monitoring, up to 30 hours of dive battery life, and full color maps for topside navigation. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want pro-level dive data with safety alerts, multi-sport tracking, and smartwatch convenience, this is the one that'll keep you safe below and connected above. Let's break it down and see why it's a deep dive winner in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Descent Mk3i dive computer. This is a rugged dive computer smartwatch with a 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen that's bright and readable even underwater. Housed in a 51mm titanium case with a silicone band for comfort and durability. It's water rated to 200 meters for serious dives. For diving, it supports multiple modes like single gas, multi-gas, gauge, apnea, and CCR, with air integration via SubWave sonar to monitor tank pressure from up to 4 transmitters without hoses. It has decompression algorithms with safety stops, ascent rate monitoring, and audible vibration alerts for no deco limits or gas switches. The battery lasts up to 30 hours in dive mode or 25 days in smartwatch mode, with solar charging on some models to extend it further. Topside, it has built-in GPS with full-color topo maps for navigation, ABC sensors for altitude, barometer, and compass, and multi-sport profiles for running, swimming, biking, and more, with performance metrics like VO2 max and training load. Health tracking includes all-day heart rate, pulse ox for blood oxygen, sleep monitoring with scores, and body battery for energy levels. Smart features bring notifications, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, music storage for up to 2,000 songs, and the Garmin Connect app for dive logs, community challenges, and custom watch faces. Priced around $899, it comes ready for adventure with no subscription needed for basic features. Versatility is a standout. Use it for technical dives with gas mixers or free diving with apnea hunt mode, then switch to daily wear for fitness tracking or even as a compass for hikes. It's a true all-rounder for adventurers. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are diving deep. Advanced air integration for real-time tank monitoring and safety, long battery life that lasts multiple dives without recharge, comprehensive multi-sport and health tracking for full wellness insights, rugged build with bright screen for visibility in all conditions, and app integration for detailed logs and progress tracking. Users love how it provides peace of mind with alerts, the accurate GPS for surface intervals, and the seamless switch from dive to daily mode. It's reliable, user-friendly, and helps improve dive planning and fitness. On the con side, the large 51mm size might feel bulky on smaller wrists, no built-in cellular, so it relies on your phone for some smart features. Dive data is detailed but requires the app for full analysis. And some note the price is high for recreational divers, though most say it's worth it for serious users. Overall, pros dominate for avid divers. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Garmin Descent Mk3i dive computer if you dive regularly and the pros like safety features, long battery, and multi-sport versatility make sense for you. It's ideal for tech divers, free divers, or multi-sport athletes wanting one device for all adventures. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your adventures diving, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a dive buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.